Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at Kajabi versus Teachable, two of the most popular platforms for selling online courses and digital products. If you've been thinking about creating and selling courses, memberships, or coaching programs, chances are you've already come across these two names. But which one is right for you? Let's break it down. First, let's start with Kajabi. Kajabi positions itself as a premium all-in-one business platform. With Kajabi, you don't just build courses. You can also create websites, host landing pages, send marketing emails, build sales funnels, and even manage your contacts, all inside one dashboard. This makes Kajabi especially attractive for creators and small businesses who don't want to rely on multiple tools. Now, let's talk pricing. Kajabi starts with the Kickstarter plan at $89 per month, which is good for beginners launching their first product. The basic plan at $149 per month adds more contacts and integrations. The most popular choice is the growth plan at $199, where you get 15 products, 25,000 contacts, unlimited marketing emails, custom domains, and 24/7 support. Finally, the Pro plan at $399 per month is built for bigger businesses with up to 100 products and 3 websites. Kajabi gives you everything under one roof, but the trade-off is that it comes at a higher monthly cost. On the other side, we have Teachable. Teachable is often considered the more budget-friendly and beginner-friendly option. It focuses heavily on course creation and delivery, while still providing essential tools like coupons, upsells, global payments, and even abandoned cart recovery. Pricing for Teachable starts much lower, with the starter plan at $39 per month. However, this plan includes a 7.5% transaction fee on every sale. If you want to avoid fees, you'll need the Builder plan at $89 per month, which allows up to 5 published products. Then there's the Growth plan at $189 per month, which supports up to 25 published products, advanced marketing features, and priority support. Finally, the Advanced plan at $399 per month allows up to 100 published products with full customization. So how do these two compare in practice? Kajabi is the better choice if you want an all-in-one platform that replaces tools like MailChimp, WordPress, and even some CRM systems. It's built for people who want everything integrated and are willing to pay more for that convenience. Teachable, on the other hand, is ideal if you're just starting out, want to minimize costs, and don't mind connecting extra marketing tools later. It's a straightforward course platform that focuses on delivering a smooth experience for both creators and students. In short, if you value power and all-in-one convenience, go with Kajabi. If you want simplicity and affordability, Teachable might be the better fit.